Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the assignment and the exact goal you want AI to help with. Be specific about scope and due date. Once done, collect your notes, textbook snippets, and any rubric details so the model has context. Next, choose the right AI mode, drafting, summarizing, or editing, and craft a short initial prompt that includes format, length, and tone. Be direct and set constraints. This saves time and keeps results relevant to your task. You now turn prompts into a working draft by asking for an outline first. This gives structure you can critique. Once the outline is acceptable, request detailed sections, worked examples, or step-by-step solutions, and include sample answers so the AI mimics your style. Make sure to iterate. Edit the response, ask for clarification, and compare two versions to pick the best parts. Use targeted follow-ups to tighten arguments or correct mistakes, and always keep the rubric in view while expanding content. You finish by verifying every fact and calculation the AI produced. Do quick searches or recompute numbers to be safe. Then, rewrite or paraphrase key passages so the work reflects your voice and understanding. This prevents dependency and improves learning. Once edited, run a plagiarism check and fix formatting to match the rubric. If something fails, ask the AI to explain the disputed part step by step. This is your go-to troubleshooting tip to uncover errors and correct them before submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.